Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and welcome to the continuing build of the Back to the Future DeLorean. This is issue 131, the extra stuff to make it look like the car from the third film. So let's have a look and see what we're going to be doing. We're going to be building, or starting to build, the big box on the bonnet. The bonnet box. What do they actually call it? The box. Yeah. The emergency time circuits. So there we go. This is what I'm going to be doing for a few weeks. So yeah, we've got some bits to put together, circuit to fit in. I haven't actually got the correct battery in stock myself at the moment, but I will be getting it. So in a later issue, we'll make sure the lights work and test it all out. But yeah, it's the big chip. Interesting stuff. I might have that on there. I might well employ this onto the car itself. Looking at what Zemeckis did next. Forrest Gump. I wasn't aware that he directed that, but there we go. And Deborah Lynn Scott is the other person we're looking at. Next time, we're starting the railroad, because that's obviously used in the third film as well. So we get a little stretch of railroad, which we're going to be building over a good few weeks. Right, let's start on the big box. Right, not much to build this time round. We've got the start of the big box, obviously here. We've got the illumination for it, which is interesting. I like the way they've done that. It's very strange. Some stickers and a couple of screws. First of all, this piece fits onto there. It just pops into there like that, getting the angle right. Like that. There we go. Nice and easy. And then we need this, which goes in there. It's already the right sort of shape. So we know how that's going to fit like that. We need two of these screws to hold it in place. One and two. There we go. Let's grab a screwdriver, put that in there. This obviously screws in from the other side. There. And the other one. In the corner there. There we go. Now that is ready to take a small lithium battery, which, as I say, I haven't got to hand, but I will do soon. But before we do that, we need to put this in the right place. So this is interesting. We've got four little tape pieces to put in place. One goes, obviously, it all sort of fits into this groove anyway. It goes in there like that, and then the first one goes over that corner. It shows it going across there like that. So let's get that in there. Like that. And then actually, I'm going to use a pair of tweezers for this because it's easier to grab from a distance. Put that across there like so. Goes down there. Now this has little bulbs in strategic positions. So obviously when you're putting these tapes on, you've got to make sure you get the tapes in the places where you don't have bulbs. Assuming following their instructions is going to be the best bet. If I can get it off of there. Come on. You know you want to. There you go. That, let's again grab that right at the end, like so. The next one is over in this corner over here. Again, if we get that in the right place, the rest of it will sort of have to fall into place along there, won't it? That one. Next one. Right, one goes over this side, just there. Now this bit, this is the tricky bit. This has got to go over the top of that. So it's going to go along there, and then and over. And this has got to go right in that corner bit. Like that. Nope. Like that. That'll hold that bit in there. The rest of it will sort of fit around there. Then that will put a bulb just at the apex of that, which is exactly where it should be. Make sure that is right in the middle, I think. And then the other one's going to go right over the other side. So let's get that. Rack it around all of that. Come on. Can I get that tracking around all of that? Big doubled up bit there. That's there. It's going to go across there. Right. We can get that in the right place. Easy. So that's staying there. That's going to go up there. And this is going to go across about there. Assuming that's now not in the right place. No, it isn't. I need to move that up a bit. So I can unpeel that a bit. Then we can move this up, because this corner needs to fit into that corner. Come on, off of there. Get unstuck. There you go. So I need to get that in there. The other side of that, it's off moving over the top of that as well. Right, you could do with another bit of tape around that corner there, I should think, but for some reason they haven't. So that's there. Get that running up there, like that, and then get that tape over there. That's about there, and that will, I'm sure, settle down into the right place once other things start being added around it. So there we go. That is that. It says to test it, and I shall test it, but just not quite yet. Pretty sure it will work, but you've got the switch obviously tucked away down there to turn it on and off once the battery's in it. So yeah, quite cool, quite interesting, and will now be put aside for a little while. So that's that. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and come back for more very, very soon. Bye bye for now.